Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to get GPU support on any application in Windows 10. Type graphics settings in Windows search bar. Click graphics settings. You can choose Classic App or Universal App. Select any app in this list. Select Classic App. Click Browse to select any application. Click Options. Select any option in Power Saving and High Performance. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.